Hello everyone, back to my YouTube channel, back to hiking, everyday hiking, and it's good for the health. And I wanna show to you the exciting place for us to go with my usual body for every day. I'll show it to you guys. Can you see this way? And look, so pretty in here, right? So pretty, guys. So no wonder why I love hiking, and you can see the trees, right? It's good for actually for the health, for the body, to make me like a sweat for the whole body and soak my clothes, soak it into sweat. It's actually cold here, but it's better than yesterday. It makes me feeling like freezing, but better today. I'll show it to you. Anyway, see, it's so stiff actually to take this way, but I feel so great. It cannot lose weight and drain all the fats. Whew. Look at this. Look guys, so stiff. And actually, stairs is a great exercise, guys. Look, it's so high. See, can you see people there? Oops. And finally, guys, I already reached the top and I feel so great, and I can see the beautiful city of Hong Kong here, and it is actually a part of the clear water bay Saikung, and I want to show you around. And guys, you can see the beautiful city of the Saikung, Hong Kong here, and so beautiful around here. And make it bigger, see, and you can see the building around. It's a nice spot though, but you can see it's against the light, but you can still see the beautiful Saikung clear water bay. See the building around, and you can see the ocean. It's a perfect weather. Now go up there. See the perfect weather. See the beautiful clouds.